Hey beautiful souls, today we're working with Archangel Metatron's incredible energy, creating crystal grids and sacred geometry. I'll show you how to set your crystals so they flow with his divine light. Here we have some angel aura, we have white howlite, red jasper, some rose quartz, amethyst, and clear quartz to help boost all the energy of the other crystals. We'll keep this a bit simple so that you can create this at home if you choose. So let's work with, we'll put the rose quartz, the largest piece of rose quartz, right in the center. And then let's add some clear quartz to magnify the energy. I'm using this selenite sacred geometry design because, one, it's easy to set up. It helps to keep all the tumbled stones, your crystals, fully charged and absorbing from them and cleansing them continuously from any energies that they may have absorbed or will absorb from you. So here are two pieces of angel aura quartz. Let's add some amethyst, and the white howlite is tiny enough that we can, okay, let's change that one out to a smaller piece so we can do, let's see, these can come in. Okay, let's put the bigger one back. Nah, we're going to do it this way. There we go. Turn it around. So we've got those guys. Okay, so now we have that angel aura out here, the amethyst out, the clear quartz right in there snug. Here we go. There it is. Okay, so there's that. Okay, and we can add, let's change these because it's smaller, and that's a smaller piece. Okay, there's a simple one. So how do you connect with Archangel Metatron? Archangel Metatron, thank you for being here with me to help cleanse, balance, and align my energies with yours so that my chakras are cleansed, balanced, and aligned at all times as much as possible. Okay, oops. See, I'm just kind of going with the flow here. You can do something like that. All right. I've got just, okay. So if you have an extra piece you can have of amethyst, you can do that. Okay. Now that's quite complicated, so we could create an outer ring of energy without the pieces, the tumbled stones, actually touching. If you wanted to, you could place your intention on a small piece of paper and tuck it underneath this grid, this selenite grid. Okay, let's go ahead and choose another one to show you. We'll work with this beautiful sacred geometry of our solar system. So one moment. You can start off by having your tumbled stones, whichever you have, and we're just working with these today to keep things simple. So let's do some grounding. These are the planets here. Okay, maybe you can see it a little better that way. So at the top, and this is connecting with Archangel Metatron. So I'm going to put amethyst there, and I think two of the smaller pieces of red jasper to help me ground, stay grounded, or at least more grounded more often. Let's put it that way. And in the center, rose quartz. And I want some angel aura to help me connect more easily with, okay, turn them that way. There we go. With Archangel Metatron. And let's see, white howlite for protection. Like this one better. It's a little flatter. And I have some tinier, some smaller clear quartz. So we'll use that maybe on either side of that. And I know we want something here. Let's just keep it super simple like that. Okay, so there we have it. There it is. So this is the cosmos. So we are tuning in, asking Archangel Metatron to help us tune in to the cosmos, to source, to our higher self through our crown chakra, connecting our heart and our root chakra for grounding all at the same time. And the two angel aura help to raise the inner vibration as well as for protection. White howlite, protection along our path. And then the two smaller pieces of clear quartz to help raise the energy, to energize and magnify the energies of all the other crystals. What kind of crystal grid do you like to use? Do you like to use a paper one, selenite one, a wooden one? What is it you like to do, beautiful soul? Would love to know. And let me know how you like this series. Please do remember to share this. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul. Bye-bye.